How y'all doing out there? Welcome to Clayton Showalter's YouTube channel here. Today's little project here is this Craftsman chainsaw here. And I'm not sure if it's a 3.4. I think it's a 3.4 cubic inch there. We're going to show you on removing the carburetor here. You got this screw here and that screw there. And let's get started here. I will let you know which one this is, if it's a 3.4 or if it's a bigger. We'll find it out. It doesn't have any markings on it from what I can see, other than up here on the chain. Well, it's not a chain brake, it's more of a guard. But I'm sure there's a tag on it somewhere. We'll look for it there. I hope you're all doing good out there. Hope everybody's doing well. And this is just a piece of foam here, so the air filter deal will seal against that there. Don't forget your screws here. Well, this little foam deal goes right over this here. So then we gotta remove the throttle linkage is down here. Well, this is the first time for me working on one of these saws here. We're removing this stuff here, so I believe we got to remove this choke rod here, and it's a Phillips screwed right down here where my screwdriver's pointing. I'll try and keep my hands out of the way here so y'all can kind of see what's going on. There's that little screw there. There's the choke rod. There's the choke linkage. Now we should be able to maneuver the carburetor to get the throttle arm off here. Okay, here we go. Now we want to remove the fuel line here. Hopefully a bunch of fuel ain't going to come squirting out, but it happens. That's not too bad. Probably going to replace this hose here because it's hard. So, there's our carburetor. So we'll come back with another video here on disassembly of the carburetor. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all take care out there. Be kind. Bye-bye.